This is my system for the PLC subject for the University of Debrecen. The system consists on a ball sorting. There are three different types of balls. One is metals and the other two are not metals, but one is orange or bright color and the other one is black or dark color. There is also 3 cylinders to move the balls, and there is 3 sensors. One is capacitive to detect when the ball arrives to the system, and then after detecting, the cylinder will move this ball to the code position where there is 2 sensors. One is inductive to detect the metals or not metals, and the optical sensor to detect the bright color. So with the 2 signals from these 2 sensors, the program will identify if the ball should go for the first, second or the third belt. And there are also 3 counters to count how many balls are coming on each belt. And this button is to reset these counters. So when I press the start button, the system will generate randomly 5 different balls. They will appear in different colors, like these ones, black or kind of orange yellow and gray. And also the color represents the type of material. The gray is for the metals one, and the yellow and black are not metals. And these small squares, when they are green, they represent that the sensors are activated. So these 3 sensors now are activated because the 3 cylinders are on the back position, and the sensors are not activated because there is no balls on this system now. So I will start the system, and so now the balls are coming to the system. The first ball is bright color, not metal, so we'll go to the second row here, not metal. The second ball is black, so you can see that both of sensors will not activate. They are not activated, so this ball will go straight to the end and to the third belt. The next ball is gray, so it's a metal, so the metal will activate this capacitive sensor and also the inductive and also the color sensor. So all of them were activated, so the system identifies as a metal and it comes to the first one. Now it's yellow, so just the color will activate it. So this ball will come to the second one or the middle one here. Okay, I think it's clear how the system works. Just about the animation, I created a personal function to move the object because there's a lot of movement on this system, and to not need to create a lot of the same code in every time I need to move some object. I create this function where and there is 2 parameters. One is the actual position from the object, and the second parameter is the destination. So this function detects if the actual position is greater than the destination, so it executes a function who decrease the position until the object goes to the destination. And also, if the position is smaller than the destination, it executes another function who will increase the position of the object until it reaches the destination. So this function, it's used for all movements that you can see on the code. So for all this movement, all the balls, they are using this function to move. And that's it. I think it's clear how it works.